Welcome to Kevin Wall's GMP Minute. Here are 3 ways to ensure you hire the wrong QA consultant. Number 1, they have only worked for Big Pharma. Sure, it looks impressive to have Big Pharma references. However, Big Pharma systems don't always work for smaller firms. For success, hire someone who can tailor to your needs. Someone who knows what is really needed rather than how they used to do it. Number 2, they've only worked in a commercial setting. Those with no QA development experience will try to apply commercial mentality to every issue. Those with development experience tailor the GMP requirement to each phase. Number 3, they have never worked in a virtual setting. Handling quality issues is easy from the shop floor. It is entirely different when the CMO is an ocean away. Experience teaches what you control and what your CMO provides. Contact Sincero today for help setting up your virtual supply chain. Be sure to follow us and don't miss a GMP Minute.